Today's Thundertix tutorial covers how to check guests into your event either when guests arrive without paper tickets or when you do not want to use a barcode scanner. This simple solution is quick and easy, so let's go ahead and jump in. Grab your tablet and log in to the Thundertix website. Then navigate your way to the events page. Click on the event that you wish to check your guests into. Hover over the desired date and then tap on the guest list icon to view the full attendee list. The guest list displays the customer's name, how many times they visited your venue, their customer classifications, any notes associated with the order, how many tickets have been scanned, the quantity of tickets purchased, the ticket types and associated items, the order number, method of payment, and, if applicable, the customer's desired method of shipping for ticket fulfillment. For events utilizing a seating chart, we'll also show the seat assignments per customer from the guest list as well. To check in your attendees, tap here on Start Check-in. If all customers appear on a single page, you can easily scan down the alphabetical list to find the right customer when they arrive. Just tap on the barcode that corresponds to their order to check them in, and voila! You've validated your first customer. As you scan arriving guests, they will be removed from your check-in view, so that only those that have not yet checked in remain in the list. If your guest list is separated into multiple pages, use the search field at the top of the page to retrieve customers by last name. At the top of the guest list, you'll see a running tally of how many guests you've checked in and how many remain. Let's see what all this looks like all together, shall we? Hey, I have a ticket for John Doe.
Okay, let me check. Alright, enjoy your show.
Thanks. When you finish checking in your guests, just click the End Guest Check-in. You'll see that your guest list still remains intact with the scanned column showing whether a guest has been checked in or marked as scanned. Alright, congratulations! You've successfully learned how to check in guests without the use of a barcode scanner, a clipboard, or paper tickets. Don't forget, you can do this from your phone or computer by doing the exact same thing, so do not worry if you don't have a tablet of your own. If you have any more questions, check out our how-to guides and visit our support forum. Thank you for watching.